Mistakes to avoid when trying to have fun outdoors. Are you itching for an adventure in the great outdoors? Spending time outside can be incredibly rejuvenating and enjoyable, but it's not without its challenges. Many people, especially those new to outdoor activities, make common mistakes that can turn a fun experience into a stressful one. To ensure your time outside goes as smoothly as possible, you should know what mistakes to avoid when trying to have fun outdoors. Don't leave a trace. The beauty of the great outdoors is something everyone should cherish, and it's your responsibility to protect it. Leaving behind garbage or damaging natural environments ruins the experience for others and harms local ecosystems. Practicing leave no trace principles is crucial for keeping nature pristine. Always pick up what you bring in, including food wrappers, water bottles, and other waste. Avoid disturbing wildlife or picking plants, and stick to established trails to minimize your impact on the environment. Don't ignore safety measures. Safety should always be a top priority, no matter what type of outdoor adventure you're embarking on. It's easy to overlook key safety guidelines in the excitement of heading out, but failing to follow basic precautions can put you and others at serious risk. Whether you're hiking, boating, or camping, wearing proper gear, such as sturdy shoes or life jackets, is non-negotiable. Don't be too adventurous. Stepping out of your comfort zone and trying new things is one of the best parts of spending time outdoors. However, there's a fine line between being adventurous and biting off more than you can chew. Taking on an activity you're not familiar with or pushing yourself too hard can lead to fatigue, frustration, or even dangerous injuries. If it's your first time hiking or kayaking, start with beginner-friendly trails or calm waters. Learn the basics, pace yourself, and don't hesitate to ask for guidance from experienced friends or instructors. The outdoors is for enjoyment, not a challenge to endure. The great outdoor offers endless opportunities for adventure, relaxation, and connecting with nature. Remember to pack smart, stay safe, and have fun. Nature is waiting, and your next adventure is just around the corner.